Hi, I'm William. Senor Lionel asked me to talk about paying attention to details. I like details. When I think of details, I make sure I think of everything that needs to be done. To start something and finish it. Maybe starting a picture puzzle and finishing it. Details are like the small pieces that make up the finished puzzle. I have to pay attention to each one, focus on where they might go, no matter how small, to make sure that it fits in the right place. Sometimes I get distracted and it's hard to focus, but I just stop to see the finished picture in my head. When I get stuck, I ask someone I like and trust to help me, and we use teamwork to figure it out. Oh, and I also keep the finished picture near me so I know what the final picture looks like. After I pay attention to all the details, it all comes together to make something fantastic. Look, here's my finished puzzle. Remember to pay attention to the details so you can do cool stuff too.